Hi, I'm Kendall.
And I'm Sadie.
And we're from the Dr. Jean Baring College and Career Academy.
Today we're going to be showing you how to make our KTK snack called Ocean Pearls.
You'll be needing 6 strawberries, 7 blueberries, half a graham cracker, and a cup of yogurt.
A knife, a spoon, 1/4 cup, a cutting board,
a glass.
First, I'm going to start by crushing the graham cracker. While I'm crushing the graham cracker, Kendall is going to be cutting our strawberries.
Take one of your 6 strawberries and put that to the side. We're going to be making that into a clam later. And cut up the other 5.
You're going to grab your glass and sprinkle a little at the bottom. And then we'll go ahead and add some of our yogurt, but not a lot. We'll put some of the strawberries in this layer. And then put more graham crackers with the strawberries. And then put a little more yogurt. And then we'll go ahead and add more of our strawberries. And then just do the same thing with the graham crackers and yogurt. Level off your yogurt and your strawberries. We're gonna start cutting the clam.
So you're gonna start by cutting this off like a V. So you're gonna cut it like. Then we're gonna put this.
Place it on top.
And with our 7 blueberries, we're gonna add 1.
And then with the rest of your graham crackers, you're just gonna wanna sprinkle them on top. And there we go. That's our finished snack, our Ocean Pearls.